I have limited space in my workshop and constantly need to move vehicles back and forth. This is often a problem because I can't maneuver them easily. So I thought of a way to solve this problem. First, we'll get some materials, specifically 5mm steel. Now I need a suitable template for my tires. I cut out some cardboard and held the wheels next to it to ensure everything fits. We will need some tools. Here, I'm prepping a clean edge for a right angle. You can see how well the saw works and how precisely I can make the cuts. Now we trace the template onto our material to make the cuts later. Here, I start cutting the material. An important point. If you don't have the means to bend 5mm steel, make some incisions in the material. This way, you can almost bend everything by hand. All angles should be 20 degrees for a good fit. Now, I check if everything fits and make some adjustments if necessary. Next, we need the appropriate transport wheels and several holes in the material to attach the wheels later. To reinforce the plates, they need to be welded again. I prepare for welding. At the beginning, I make a few tack welds. Once the plates are in position, I weld them completely. Now I mount the wheels. A bit of cosmetic work, such as rounding the edges and deburring the plates. Now we can place the mobile transport system under the wheels. We should lift the car first. Now I can easily move my vehicles in the workshop with millimeter precision. What do you think of this cost-effective DIY solution? A tip: if I build this again, I'll use larger wheels for better maneuverability. Leave a comment.